When people hear the word manager, they often imagine someone sitting in meetings, checking emails, and giving instructions. But that is only a small part of the story. So, what does a business manager actually do all day? Let's break it down in a simple, real world way. A business manager is not just a boss. They are the person responsible for making sure everything in a business runs smoothly and achieves results. Think of them as the link between strategy and execution. They take ideas and turn them into outcomes. A manager's day usually starts with one key question: what needs attention today? They might review sales numbers from yesterday, project updates from teams, any urgent issues. For example, if a product delivery got delayed, that becomes a priority. Managers constantly decide what matters most at that moment. One of the biggest parts of a manager's role is decision making. Some decisions are small, like approving a budget request. Some are big, like choosing whether to enter a new market. For example, a manager in an e-commerce company might decide whether to increase discounts to boost sales or protect profit margins. Every decision impacts the business. Managers spend a lot of time working with people. This includes assigning tasks, giving feedback, solving conflicts, hiring or training employees. For example, if two team members disagree on how to approach a project, the manager steps in and finds a solution. A business cannot run without coordination, and managers make that happen. Managers also keep a close eye on results. They look at sales performance, customer feedback, team productivity. For example, if customer complaints increase, a manager investigates the cause and takes action. They are always asking, are we doing well or do we need to improve? No day is perfect in business. Something always goes wrong. A supplier may delay materials. A campaign may not perform well. A team member may miss a deadline. Managers spend a big part of their time solving these problems quickly and effectively. This is what keeps the business moving forward. While handling daily tasks, managers also think ahead. They plan for growth opportunities, new products or services, long-term goals. For example, a manager in a tech company might plan the next feature update based on customer needs. They are always balancing today's work with tomorrow's vision. So, what does a business manager actually do? They set priorities, make decisions, work with people, track performance, solve problems, plan for the future. It is a role that combines thinking, action, and leadership every single day.